Hello and welcome to Judicial Service Exam Coaching. Now I'm going to discuss questions of Transfer of Property Act. So let's begin. The first question is, transfer by act of parties is a transfer which takes place between two living persons. Such transfers are also called transfer inter vivos. So the correct option is B. Transfer inter vivos but transfer by act of parties বুলি ক'লে আমি example হিচাপে ক'ব পাৰো sell বা giftor কথা. Okay, sell or gift is a transfer of property by act of parties because transferor and transferee both must be living person on the date of sell or gift. Okay, আৰু will হৈছে it's a legal declaration of the testator for carrying his property after his death. Will is not a sale or a transfer of property. আৰু will কেতিয়া effective হয়? It's become effective only when it is called upon after death of the transferor. Now, what is transfer by operation of law? So, transfer of property under will, inheritance, or by an order of the court is a transfer by operation of law. Or transfer by operation of law to act of the parties nohoy, because in such transfers the transferor is not a living person and the transfer takes place automatically under the given law. So here the correct option is transfer inter vivos. Next question, movable property includes standing timber, growing grass and growing crops and grass. So here the correct option is D. A and C is correct. And benefits to arise out of land, this is immovable property. So কোনবিলাক movable property হয়, কোনবিলাক immovable property হয়, সেইবিলাক আপোনালোকে পঢ়ি ল'ব, কিতাপত ধুনীয়াকৈ দিয়া আছে. Next question, salary of a public officer cannot be transferred. The statement is true. Okay, so section 6 talks about what may be transferred. So as per section 6 that কৈছে যে সকলো ধৰণৰ property transfer কৰিব except কিছুমান property transfer কৰিব নোৱাৰে. সেই exceptioner ভিতৰত এটা exception হ'ল salary of a public officer cannot be transferred. I think that এৰ পৰা I লৈকে আছে নেকি, আপোনালোকে গুটেখিনি যিখিনি তাৰ exception দিছে যে কোনবিলাক property transfer কৰিব নোৱাৰে সেইখিনি পঢ়ি থৈ দিব. Next question, property act or kuntu section competency of transfer or bikhoy koa ase. So that is section 7. So option C is correct. Question number 30, a sells his house to B with a condition that B cannot transfer this house to anyone except C. The condition is void because C may be chosen as a person who may never purchase the property. So here karone apnaloke pohibo section 10 to, and section 10 talks about absolute restraint. Okay, next question, yat kisuman moi statement disu aru statement boro kuntu correct statement choose koribo lage. So ami first statement to sound, there are two exceptions under section 10, first in respect of gift and second in respect of will. A statement or first part to correct hoy kinu second part to wrong hoy, kiono under section 2 there are two exceptions. This is true, but these exceptions are not in respect of gift and will. That's why this statement is wrong. Second statement, only exception under section 10, that is in respect of lease. So this is also wrong. Kioniyat only buli koise kintu section 10 or under tamar duta exceptions ase. Now third statement, there are two exceptions under section 10. First in respect of leases and second is regarding a property whose is transferred to a married domain. This statement is correct. So section 10 or under ji duta exception dia ase, tar bitor eta hol leaser khetrot aru antu hoise married domain property transfer khetrot. Okay, aru fourth statement to etu wrong e hobo karon yat only statement 1 to correct buli koise. That's why here only the correct statement is, that is statement 3, and the correct option is C. Okay, so jodio section 10 though section 10 talks about absolute residence, but it provides two exceptions in respect of leases and second is regarding a property who is transferred to a married domain. Okay, leaser khetot exception to kyo dise because lease is a transfer of limited interest. Okay, leaser limited interest transfer kora, absolute interest transfer kora no hoy. So where ledger reserves the ownership, leaser khetot ledger ownership to reserve koi rakhe and transfers only the right of enjoyment to the transferee. Therefore ledger can impose a condition on the leasee and this condition is valid under section 10 ঠিক তেনেকে মেৰি ডোমেইন অফ প্ৰপাৰ্টি ট্ৰান্সফাৰৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতো যদি তেনেকুৱা কন্ডিশন ইম্পোজ কৰা হয় হেতু আন্ডাৰ সেকশন 10 that is valid. Okay, so where a property is transferred to a মেৰি domain who is not a Hindu, Muslim or Buddhist, the transferor can validly impose a condition restraining alienation. Okay, and such condition shall not be void under section 10. আৰু আমাৰ যিবিলাক পাৰ্সোনাল ল আছে the personal of Hindus, Muslim and the Buddhists already provide for the validity of restraint on alienation of the মেৰি domain of this communities. Okay, so এই দুটা এক্সেপশন আপোনালোকে ভালকে পঢ়ি থৈ দিব লগতে সেকশন 10 আৰু সেকশন 11 টো দুইটাই ভালকে পঢ়িব সেকশন 11 ৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো মই নেক্সট স্লাইডত দিছো বাৰু তথাপিতো ইয়াতে কৈ থৈছো সেকশন 10 আৰু সেকশন 11 টো পঢ়িব আৰু লগতে সেকশন 10 আৰু 11 ৰ আপোনালোকে ডিফাৰেন্সটো ভালকে চাই থৈ দিব Next question, A sells his agriculture lands to B with a condition that B can cultivate only wheat but cannot grow the crops of paddy. The condition is void under section 11. The correct option is B. So section 11 talks about restriction repugnant to interest created. So section 11 provides that in the transfer of absolute interest of property, if the transferor imposes any condition restraining the mode of his enjoyment, the condition restraining the mode of his enjoyment, that condition is void under this section, and transferee is not bound by such condition. So yet a big agricultural land sell কৰিছে absolute interest এটা sell absolute interest এটা transfer কৰা হৈছে কিন্তু a যেটো condition b ৰ ওপৰত দিছে যেতে অকল wheat cultivate কৰিব পাৰিব paddy grow কৰিব নোৱাৰে তো হেতু right of enjoyment ৰ ওপৰত mode of enjoyment ৰ ওপৰত restraint দিছে আৰু হে restraint টো হৈছে void under this section 11 আৰু এটো ক্ষেত্ৰত BA এৰ এই restraint টো মানিবলৈ he is not bound to obey his condition মানিবলৈ বাধ্য নহয় okay next question in a transfer of property vesting of interest cannot be postponed beyond the life of last preceding interest in the living person or person and the minority of the ultimate beneficiary is provided under which section under section 14 section 14 talks about rule against perpetuity okay so rule against perpetuity to exam ot ahi thake prelims to ahe ba mains to ahe apnalokor dike rule against perpetuity to pohi debo section 14 to next question number 34 a dash interest is not defeated by the date of the transferee before he obtains possession so that the correct option is B vested interest okay vested interest to ase apunar section 9 not or contingent interest to us section 21 okay 35 section 41 of the transfer of property act deals with so section 41 to deal kore transfer by ostensible owner or a question to khub ahe transfer by ostensible owner okay or conditional transfer to us section 25 election when necessary section 35 and transfer by co-owner under section 44 okay an ostensible owner is not the real owner but all the indications of ownership question number 36 very easy question doctrine of part performance provided in which section is section to hokolore monot thake that is 53a to report questions khub ahe gutei khini as a whole apnaloke part performance to silo essentials burki gutei khini saibo next question essential conditions for application of section 53a contract must be written and duly executed yes this is an essential condition for application of section 53a transferee takes possession of the property this is also an essential transferee has either performed this part of the contract or is willing to perform the same so all of the above so option D next question the term sale is defined under section 54 so section 54 defines sale and section 54 also talks about sale how made okay and contract of sale next question the subject matter of sale under section 54 is so under section 54 is immovable property. Option B is the correct option. Okay, so the subject matter of sale may be of any kind of immovable property as defined in section 3 of Transfer of Property Act. Question number 40. In which of the following cases registration is necessary to complete the sale? Okay, so kunbilak khetrot registration to necessary hoy. Okay, so yat apunar correct hobo prothom ami prothom to sai lo where sale of tangible immovable property valuing less than ₹100, so etu khetrot registration to necessary nohoy. Okay, where tangible immovable property is of the value ₹100 or more, here registration is necessary. Where the property is intangible immovable property of any valuation, this is also true, here also registration is necessary. So statement 2 and 3 is correct. So the correct option is C, 2 and 3. Okay, question number 41. Seller's duties after the completion of the sale are. Yat seller duty kotha huda hoise after the completion of the sale. Kuntu correct hoy. To give possession to the buyer, yes, this is correct. This is seller's duty after completion of the sale. To answer relevant questions as to title, no, this is not. Okay, to covenant for title, this is also correct. To deliver the title deeds on receipt of the price, this is also correct. So the correct option is 1, 3 and 4. So B, 1, 3 and 4. Okay, our sellers rights and liabilities of buyers and seller বিষয়ে কোৱা আছে section 55. Okay, so seller বা buyer rights and duties ওপৰত questions আহে section 55 to আপোনালোকে ভালকে পঢ়ি থব before the completion of the sale, before the sale and after the completion of the sale. Question number 42. Which section of Transfer of Property Act gives relief to transferee who makes improvements in good faith on the land held by him and is being evicted subsequently by a person having better title? Okay, so 42 correct option to is that is under section 51. Okay, question number 43. Consider the following statement. Okay, so yat কিছুমান statement দিয়া হৈছে, statement বোৰ কোনবিলাক wrong বা কোনটো wrong আমি ইয়াত choose কৰিব লাগে. Okay, so doctrine of lease pendants is based on necessity. Yes, this statement is correct. The doctrine of lease pendants applies only where a property is transferred after disposal of the suit. This is wrong. After disposal nohoy, during pendency of the suit. The doctrine of lease pendants is applicable in cases where the pending litigation is ultimately compromised and a compromised or consent decree is passed. This statement is correct. All of the above to nohoy, so this statement is also wrong. Gute gita nohoy, so yat amar kun ami basi uliabo lage je wrong statement kuntu dia. So 2 and 4. So correct option hobo apunar C, 2 and 4. Or lease pendants to sabo hetu question ahe. 44. Fraudulent transfer is mentioned in which section of the Transfer of Property Act? So fraudulent transfer to ase apunar section 53. Next question. Where the right of enjoyment of an immovable property is transferred for a fixed period of time and the rent is paid in lump sum in advance, the transaction is called juris pesci lease. Etu maje maje ahe prelims to ahe ba kitiaba short note hisabe ahe. Okay, question number 46. Section 59 and 60 of the Transfer of Property Act deals with mortgage when to be by assurance, that is section 59, and section 60 deals with right of mortgager to redeem. Aru mortgage chapter to apnaloke moi questions to ya dia na teneke karon iman eta chapter dibole hoy bahut questions hoi jay. Mortgage chapter to apnaloke ekdom A to Z bhalke sabo, tar pore kinds bilak sabo, mortgager je bilak kinds aru hei kinds bilakor apnaloke essentials bur sabo. Okay, khub bhalke poribo mortgage chapter to. Question number 47. Condition or stipulation which prevents the mortgager from redeeming the mortgage property on payment of loan is called. So 47 answer to that is B, clause on redemption. So clause on redemption or short note ahe. Next question. ইয়াত দুটা statement দিয়া হৈছে, কোন statement গিটা wrong নে কোনটো statement wrong হয় আমি choose কৰিব লাগে. Okay, Lease from year to year can be made only by registration. This statement is correct. In case of lease, from month to month registration is optional. Yes, this statement is also correct. So ইয়াত আমি wrong statement choose কৰিব লাগে যেহেতু দুটা statement correct হয় এটাও wrong নহয় so option হ'ব ইয়াতে none D. Okay. Question number 49 কোনটো সেকশনে exchange to define কৰিছে, that is section 118. Last question, match the following. So honoris gift to আছে আপোনাৰ 127 not. Okay. Next, universal donito hoise ase section 128 and transfer of actionable claim is provided under section 130 and gift of existing and future property is mentioned under section 124. So the correct option is yat hobo B, A4, B3, C1 and D2. So ekhini asil amar transfer of property 25 questions. So amar mock test 5 holoke amar complete hol. Now we have only 3 papers left, CPC, Constitution and Evidence Act. Okay, so after Diwali moi CPC r apnalokor mock test to lom aru Constitution aru Evidence to combine ke kora hobo jeneke moi tort aru property korisu aru date to moi apnalokok amar WhatsApp group ot janai dim. Okay, so thank you.